I'm Dr. Megha Tandon. I am MD Dermatologist and have completed my one-year fellowship program in FUE Hair Transplant at DermaClinix New Delhi under the expert guidance of Dr. Kavish, Chouhan and Dr. Amrendra Kumar. I came to know about DermaClinix through some of my colleagues who have previously trained at DermaClinix and received very good reviews about the fellowship program. Through the course of fellowship, we came across all the case scenarios which we can encounter in our daily practice related to hair transplant and learn how to deal with each aspect. Also, we have been given training on the long hair FUE hair transplant, which is the latest thing in the field of hair transplant and is being done only at DermaClinix New Delhi in India. And I would like to thank both my mentors, Dr. Kavish Chouhan sir and Dr. Amrendra Kumar sir, for patiently clearing all my doubts and for their expert guidance. Thank you.